Hi everyone, this is Jaynesh here and welcome to our video of accounts. So students, today in this particular video, we are going to solve sum number 12, which is given to us on page number 422. The name of the chapter that we are dealing is Financial Statements 2. That is chapter number 10 from your 11th standard CBSE textbook. So students, let's start directly with the sum. But of course, before that, students, please, it's a request to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet done that, and like the video and share it to your friends. The entire playlist is really very helpful. And also, we are conducting a lot of online tuitions of CBSE accounts 11th and 12th, and for other subjects too, students. So if you're looking out for any such help, please let us know. Our contact number is given in the description. And also the entire question and answer, the photo of entire question and answer is also given in the description. You can go through that. Thank you so much, students. Chalo, now directly start with the sum. We are on page number 422. Sum number 12, which says the following balances were extracted from the books of Messrs. Panchil Garments on 21st March 2017. So, bachelo, we are going to discuss the sum. What is given in the question is your trial balance and adjustments. What do we need to make? We need to make trading account, profit loss account, and balance sheet. Okay. So let's start. Opening stock will go to trading account. Let me reduce the size of the font. Okay, trading account. Next, purchase will go to trading account. Now we have return inward. So return inward is as good as sales return because माल अंदर आ रहा है. Return मतलब माल अंदर आ रहा है. So this will be sales return. And over here, sales return, students, kya hoga? Less from sales hoga. You just need to write over there less from sales. Return inward will be less from sales. And students, I'm going to tick mark sales over here because there's an adjustment over there. Carriage inward, trading, general expense, profit and loss. Okay. Then we have insurance again, profit and loss. Scooter expenses. Expenses is profit and loss. Salary, profit and loss. Cash in and current asset. Then we have scooter. So scooter is a fixed asset. Furniture is again fixed asset. Building is fixed asset. Data is my current asset. And last, wages will go to trading account. Perfect. Next, after that, sales, trading. Now, students, return outward is as good as purchase return. So what do you have to write over there? Less from purchase. Less from purchase. And what are we going to do? We're going to do a tick mark over here, purchase, because there's an adjustment over here. You will remember that you have to leave a line over there. That's why it is very important to do the tick marking. Discount, profit and loss, bank overdraft, current liability, commission, profit and loss, creditors is current liability, and last, capital will go in the liability side. Perfect. Now moving forward to the adjustment, prepare trading account, profit account for the year ended 31st March 2017 and a balance sheet is on that date. First, unexpired insurance. Unexpired matlab something which is still paid, matlab we have paid the amount. It's an advance amount given to us, but the insurance is not expired. So less. And advance expense is an asset. Advance में expense करना is an asset. चलो, I'm going to do the tick marking to insurance. Tick mark करना बहुत ज़्यादा important है, students. Salary due. Due means outstanding. So outstanding add होगा. And it's a liability, students, because outstanding expense is a liability. Wages outstanding is again same, students. This part is going to remain same. Okay. So again, over here for wages outstanding, you're going to write the same thing because something which is outstanding will always add and then again liability side. चलो मैं wages को tick कर रहा हूँ students यहाँ पर because wages also had adjustment. Interest on capital, तो बच्चे लोग वो क्या होगा? पहले तो capital में add हो जाएगा, add to capital, and second effect profit and loss debit side. Why profit and loss debit side? Because it is an expense. Interest on capital is an expense. Scooter and furniture both are being depreciated. चलो दोनों depreciate हो रहा है students. So depreciation में क्या होगा? Less from asset. And second effect, P&L debit side because it is an expense. So less from asset, P&L debit side. चलो बच्चे लोग टिक करेंगे, स्कूटर को टिक करेंगे, फर्नीचर को टिक करेंगे. So you should know किसमें adjustment is very important. Scooter, furniture, okay? And last, closing stock. So closing stock is going to come in all your sum. Closing trading account, credit side, balance sheet, asset side. You should know this. Trading account, credit side, balance sheet, asset side. Two effects are going to come. चलो perfect. So students, यहाँ पर हमने complete कर दिया पूरा का पूरा sum का discussion. Let's move forward to the sum now. Fine. So you can see over here, मैंने already students क्या कर लिया है? पूरा का पूरा format बना दिया आप लोग के लिए. Okay, let's start with the sum. We are on page number 422 still, and we are going to start with the sum. Opening stock 16,000 rupees. no adjustment, so it will go on the right hand side. Purchase is 67,600, 67,600. Return inward. Okay, so I'm going to use the word over here, return inward. Whatever the word that they use, we know that return inward is as good as sales return, but we need to use the exact word that they have given us in the question. Amount is 4,600. Carriage inward 1,400 to carriage inward 1,400. No adjustment. So we write on the right hand side. General expense will go to profit and loss account. So to general expense 2,400. Next after that, insurance 4,000 rupees to insurance, and we have adjustment over here. For insurance students, we have adjustment 4,000. Scooter expenses to scooter expenses. Wherever there is an adjustment, you have to leave one line. Scooter expenses just 200 rupees. Salary 8,000 into 2 salary. Salary also has adjustment students 8,800. Cash in hand 4,000. Okay, so I'm going to write over here on the asset side, cash in hand. Somewhere very below students because it's a current asset, 4,000. Okay, I'm going to put my video over here so it doesn't distract the entire sum. Okay, next after that, after cash hand we have scooter 5,200. Scooter 5,200 with an adjustment. 4,000. Scooter is 8,000 rupees. Students, scooter is 8,000 rupees. So we have 4,000 cash in hand, 8,000 scooter, and furniture is 5,200. Furniture is 5,200. And furniture also has an adjustment over here. After furniture, we have building 65,000. Building has no adjustment. 65,000 rupees. Data 6,000. It's a current asset. So I'm going to write down data 6,000. Again, no adjustment. And last, wages 1,200. Wages has adjustment, students, to wages 1,200. So students, I know that there is an adjustment because I have read the entire sum. I've read the entire sum very nicely. So when you are reading your sum, you have to make sure that you read it properly. You do the tick marking. So while doing the sum, you don't get stuck anywhere or you don't end up making some mistakes. Chalo. So students, we have completed the trial balance debit side. Moving forward to the credit side now. Sales 1,12,000. What is 1,12,000 minus 4,600? 1,07,400. Okay. Barabar. 1,07,400. Next after that, return outward 3,200. So 64,400. 64,764. Okay, 64,400. Perfect. Next, bank overdraft 10,000. So bank overdraft, now it is going to come on the liability side. Bank overdraft is 10,000. Okay, I have skipped one entire entry. That is by discount. Now it's given on the credit side. I'm going to write in the credit side. Discount will come always in the profit and loss. But if it is given debit side, we'll write debit side. If it is given the credit side, I'm going to write in the credit side. Commission 1800. Chalo, bye. Commission 1800. No adjustment at all. Creditors 16,000. Okay, creditors 16,000. And last, capital 50,000. Capital 50,000. Capital will always have adjustment, students. You have to leave 8 to 10 lines below the capital part. You have to remember this. Chalo. So students, we have completed the entire trial balance over here. Let's move forward towards the adjustment now. Unexpired insurance. So let's start with unexpired insurance. Less unexpired insurance. And the amount is given to us is 1,000 rupees. Unexpired insurance 1,000. What is 4,000 minus 1,000? It comes to 3,000. And advance mein kharcha karna is an asset. Is an asset. So I'm going to write over here unexpired insurance 1,000 rupees. Okay, because I'm going to get benefited out of this in future also. Salary due but not paid. So salary is outstanding. I will say add outstanding word. And amount is given to you 1800 rupiah. 1800 rupiah. So add karna students. 8,800 plus 1800 will come to 10,600. Okay, and this is my liability. So salary due. I'm going to write the word that they have written over here. Salary due. 1800. So अब salary outstanding लिखोगे तो भी कोई problem नहीं है. It's okay. Outstanding wages. Now they have outstanding wages over there. And amount is given to us 200। तो स्टूडेंट्स ऐड करेंगे, आउटस्टैंडिंग वर्ड ऐड होता है 1400 रुपया। एंड अगेन ओवर योर on the liability side again students, because outstanding wages is something which is still pending, so 200 rupees. Next, so we have completed 3 adjustment. Moving forward to the 4th one, interest on capital at the rate 5%. So add interest on capital at the rate 5%. And what is 50,000 का 10% is 10 निकाल दो, 5,000 और 5,000 का आधा 2,500। सो ऐड करेंगे 52,500। सो जी हमारी लाइबिलिटी बढ़ गई। ओ माय गॉड, लाइबिलिटी बढ़ गई तो बुरी बात है। पीएनएल डेबिट में आएगा टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल, बिकॉज डेबिट और लॉस एंड एक्सपेंसेस ये हमारे लिए एक तरह का एक्सपेंस है, आपको याद रखना है, ठीक है। चलो नेक्स्ट आफ्टर दैट, स्कूटर एंड फर्नीचर्स डेप्रिशिएटेड। चलो तो सबसे पहले स्कूटर देखेंगे, 5% है, लेस depreciation at the rate 5% per annum. एंड स्टूडेंट्स 10% कितना होगा, 8,000 का 10% 800, 800 का आधा 400, 400 विल कम टू 7,600। एंड फर्नीचर का स्टूडेंट्स, फर्नीचर का होगा 5,200 का, बट फर्नीचर हैज डेप्रिसिएशन एट द रेट 10%। ओके 10% ओवर योर, तो 5,200 आएगा। 5,200 तो ऑलरेडी अमाउंट ही दिया, तो 520 आ जाएगा, 520। नाउ 5,200 माइनस 520 विल कम टू हाउ मच? Oh, very difficult task. जीरो जीरो, 10 में से 2 गया तो 8, 11 में से 5 गया तो 11 में से 5 गया 6, 4,680। चलो दोनों का सेकंड इफेक्ट डालेंगे स्टूडेंट्स। दोनों में हमारे एसेट की वैल्यू कम हो गई है, तो एसेट की वैल्यू कम होना तो बुरी बात है स्टूडेंट्स, तो हम पीएनएल डेबिट में डालेंगे। स्कूटर 400 एंड फर्नीचर 520। तो 400 plus 520 will come to how much? 920, 920. Okay, so we have completed exercise number 1 to A, B, C, D, E, F. And last G part, closing stock 15,000, trading account, credit side, and simply balance sheet asset side, closing stock over here and closing stock over here as well. Closing stock amount is 15,000 rupees. So students, we have completed entire sum. I feel the sum was really very easy as compared to all the previous sums that we have done. So let's move forward now directly to do the calculation part. So students, for calculation, I need a book now. Okay. सबसे पहले 1,07,000 प्लस, ये तो मैं ऑलरेडी कर सकता हूँ, 1,07,000 प्लस 15 कितना होगा? पीछे 400 है ना, 1,07,000 17, 1,22,400, 1,22,400। और मैं ये बात भी स्टूडेंट सेम लिखूंगा, 1,22,400। अब स्टूडेंट्स डेबिट साइड को टोटल करेंगे, 16 और 64, 74, 80, 81,800, 81,800। कितना है वापस? 64 प्लस 16, 74, 80, 81,800, 81,800 और 1,400, 0,021 कैरी, तो 83,200 इज द टोटल ऑफ माय डेबिट साइड। अब 1,22,400 माइनस 83,200, 0,04 में से 2 गया तो स्टूडेंट्स कितना बचेगा? ऑफ कोर्स 2 ही बचेगा। 12, 2 में से 3 जा सकता, तो 12 में से 9, 11 में से 8 जाएगा तो कितना बचेगा स्टूडेंट्स? 11 में से 8, तो 39,200। तो स्टूडेंट्स माय अमाउंट इज 39,200। दिस इज माय ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट स्टूडेंट्स। सो यहाँ पे लिखेंगे टू ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट कैरी डाउन, और नीचे आएगा बाय ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट brought down, the amount will remain 39,200। चलो अगेन स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाट एम आई गोइंग टू डू, मैं क्रेडिट साइड को प्लस करूंगा अभी। 39,200 में मुझे कितना ऐड करना है? 2,000, 3,200, 3,200 ऐड करना है। 0,0421 कैरी, 42,400। चलो वहाँ पे टोटल आ रहा है 42,400, और ये बाजू भी मैं लिखूंगा 42,400। ओके 42,400। अब माइनस करेंगे 42,400 में से ये डेबिट में जितने भी अमाउंट है। देखो तो मैं आपको हेल्प करता हूँ कैसे करना है यहाँ पे। ये तो 5,400 हो गया, 5,600 इतना हो गया, 5,600। अब ये 10 और 2 कितना होता है? 12,000, 11,100, 11,100। नहीं 10 और 2 12, 12 और फिर 13,100, 13,100 एंड लास्ट है 920 रुपया, 920 रुपया, 0 2 16 1 कैरी 9, 19,620, 19,620 इज माई टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड, तो 42,400, 42,400 माइनस 19,620, ठीक है। तो 0, 10 में से 2 गया तो 8, 3, 13 में से 6 गया तो 7, 11 में से 9 गया तो 2, तो और 2, 22,780 स्टूडेंट्स, 22,780 आ रहा है मेरा अमाउंट, 22,780, और यहाँ पे लिखेंगे टू नेट प्रॉफिट ट्रांसफर टू कैपिटल अकाउंट, ठीक है। 22,780, 22,780, चलो यहाँ पे ऐड करेंगे 22,780, इसको क्या नाम देंगे, ऐड करेंगे स्टूडेंट्स, ऐड नेट प्रॉफिट। चलो अब ये बाजू लिखेंगे, व्हाट इज 52 प्लस 780, ये तो मैं ओरली कर सकता हूँ। पहले 280 आ जाएगा, फर्स्ट 3 लेटर्स, 8, 5 प्लस 7 12, 1 कैरी 5 आ जाएगा, और ये 7 75, तो 52 62 72 72 74 75 280, परफेक्शन। तो 72 ये आ गया हमारा कैपिटल का अमाउंट, आ गया क्लोजिंग कैपिटल 75 to 80, सो 75,280, ये कितना है, 10 और 16 26, 26 और 2 28, 26 और 2 कितना होगा, 28,000 हो जाएगा, ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स। 10 और 28, 28 और ये परफेक्ट 26 20 28 हो जाएगा, तो 280 आया लास्ट में स्टूडेंट्स, 3 1 कैरी 1,03,280, 1,03,280, चलो 1,03,280। ऑप्शन लास्ट में असेट साइड कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ फॉर्मेलिटी के लिए, पर मुझे थोड़ा स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आ रहा है कि ये हो जाएगा टैली। 7 और ये कितना होगा, 7 और 4 11, 12,280, 12,280, ये तो 65 और 4 कितना, 65 और 10 75 76, ये है 76,000, और लास्ट में 15,000, चलो तो लास्ट में आएगा 280, ओके परफेक्ट। 8 और 5 13, 1 कैरी 7 8 9 10, 1,03,280, चलो स्टूडेंट्स परफेक्ट अमाउंट आ रहा है, 1,03,280, दैट्स परफेक्ट। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पर हमने क्या कर दिया है, पूरा का पूरा सम कंप्लीट कर दिया है। प्लीज अगर आप यहाँ तक वीडियो देख रहे हो तो इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट टू सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, लाइक द वीडियो, share with your friends. Students, you can see on the screen, we are conducting some online and offline tuitions also for CBSE. So if you're interested, you can always get in contact with us. And those are paid lectures, but very, very effective. And thank you so much, students. I'm going to make such videos for you guys. Please put in the comment box something that you want to tell us. Yeah, bye-bye, take care.